What is going on, guys? It is Alex from TECHAERIS.com. We are at CES 2020, and we stopped by Huawei's booth to take a look at the Huawei Mate X. Welcome back, guys. It's Alex from TECHAERIS.com. We are back from CES 2020, where we had a little bit of hands-on time with the Huawei Mate X. Holding it in the hand is very comfortable, actually. Actually, a lot more comfortable than the Galaxy Fold, which felt nice as well, but something about having the screen on the outside makes this phone just slightly better. But I did notice a lot of scratches in the screen already. It probably shows up on video pretty well, but it's really evident when you see it in person. The spokesman told me that the screen protector on the phone is not removable, so when the scratches appear on the screen protector, you gotta live with them. They did not say anything about replacing the screen or any kind of warranty of any sort. There are no screen protectors that you can purchase to put on this screen, and Huawei discourages that because they already have the one that's on there. Now, the Huawei Mate X also comes with a quad camera setup, whereas we saw a triple camera setup last year when it was first introduced. So the main shooter is a 40 megapixel camera, and that would be used for the selfie camera as well. In order to take selfies, all you have to do is hit the flip button, and the back of the phone will turn into a display for you to use that camera. It's really too bad that the Huawei Mate X isn't going to show up here in the United States. It was fun to play with at CES. We're hoping that at some point things can be smoothed out between the US government and Huawei, and we can see this phone here in the United States. The Mate X was a pleasure to use, but there are still some kinks that need to be worked out, mainly with the display. Having to spend that much money on a phone and only have your display last for so long would really be a deal killer for a lot of people. At any rate, that's the Huawei Mate X, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you guys on the other side.